Speech-to-text can easily create subtitles for a whole project, providing you with a subtitles file, commonly with the file extension SRT, which is a separate file that you can upload to video hosting platforms along with your main video. Viewers will then be able to turn subtitles on or off as they wish. If you want to convert speech to titles on the timeline, please see our other speech-to-text tutorial. Here's a crafting video project on my timeline. As speech-to-text only runs on one video or audio clip at a time, make sure you export your finished video first. Then start a new project, and drop the exported video onto the timeline. Then go to speech-to-text. Specify the source language, and add subtitles to the Subtitle Editor. Transcribing won't take too long. This is a 6-minute long video, so transcribing happens much faster than real time. Let's play it back.
Gather your materials. You will need a clean and dry Tetra Pak juice or milk carton, a cardboard toilet roll tube, duct tape.
If you're happy with the generated subtitles, click Export Subtitle File. Choose the file type you require for the platform you want to post the video to. And then click Save. However, you may want to format your subtitles or edit them for accuracy. Select the subtitle segment you want to view. As you select it, the scrubber jumps to that point in the video. Press the up and down arrows to change which subtitle segment is selected. You can click Play Selected Segment or Shift and Space on your keyboard.
Gather your materials.
To edit the start point of a subtitle segment, move the scrubber left or right with the arrow keys, and then click the Mark In point, or press F3. Similarly, you can change the end point of a segment with the Mark Out point, or F4. To edit the text of a subtitle, click the text or press Enter. Then edit the text, and use the up or down arrows to get to the next edit point. To wrap text over multiple lines, press Alt and Enter. Using keyboard shortcuts can speed up your editing if you have a very long video to subtitle. If you want to split a subtitle in two, position the playhead where you want to make the split, and then press the split icon. And then edit the text. You may also add or delete subtitles. Join two subtitles together if you select more than one segment at once. Or time offset all subtitles or just the selected subtitles. Once you're finished, you may export the subtitle as an SRT file or similar. If you wish, you can change the display options of your subtitles. Please note, changes here will not have any effect if you're creating an SRT file, as only the text and timecodes will be exported. However, if you are creating titles that you want to embed into your finished video, these text display options will be copied to the timeline if you press OK. Once titles are on the timeline, if you need to make any more edits, just right-click any title and choose Edit in Subtitle Editor. This will load all the clips into Subtitle Editor again. Let's play back what we've created.
Gather your materials. You will need a clean and dry Tetra Pak juice or milk carton, a cardboard toilet roll tube, duct tape, assorted string and wool, coloured electrical tape, a ruler and